what's up everyone? I'm so excited to be a part of Amazon Fashion Up.
Today is going to be super fun. Hey, what's up?
मेरे घर पे पहले से ही 3 handsome बंदे हैं.
So what is the pal that I'm styling you for?
So relax.
Let's get back into action.
हाँ, इरशाद.
What is the dress that you can't wear?
Oh God. I can't believe this, guys. I'd like to thank my parents because it's an award speech and you should thank your parents, otherwise it's incomplete. Was that good? Did I do a good job? This is a part of my award speech, guys. I'm so excited. Hi, what's up, everyone? I'm so excited to be a part of Amazon Fashion Up.
Hi. Today is going to be super fun. दो लोग जो एक दूसरे को नहीं जानते are going to be styling each other for a special occasion. अभी tough part ये है कि who is my mystery shopping partner? I know nothing about them. Oh, Amazon is helping me out.
Wherever I go, I need to look awesome. I might stick out, but for me, looks over comfort.
Fashion to me is new. पर कुछ टाइम पहले तक clothes were just things you put on to not be naked.
मेरे घर पे पहले से ही 3 handsome बंदे हैं, तो हमने सोचा क्यों ना एक और handsome ले. I really hope he's gotten handsome along with him because he is an adorable dog.
This seems like she's a singer/stand-up comedian. लिखा है यहाँ पे I quit my first job within 5 months to go stand on a stage with a singular goal. I wanted people to laugh at me, with me. फर्क नहीं पड़ता है.
पहले ही बता रहा हूँ. I crack a lot of lame jokes. Oh man, हमारी सही में बनेगी because lame के बीचों बीच AM है. And those are my initials. I am AM.
एक मिनट. I just heard AM. क्या उसका भी initials AM है? वो भी AM, मैं भी AM. आज तो मतलब it's going to be epic.
Music is my soul. After all, पूरा खानदान musical है. So he's a singer, musician type person. Is he one of the Malik brothers? I think he's one of the Malik brothers.
या तो सिंगर है या तो स्टैंड अप कॉमेडियन.
Okay, now I've fairly figured out who this person is, but अभी मिलने जा रही हूँ तो मेरे को खाली हाथ नहीं जाना. मम्मी ने सिखाया मेरे को थोड़े manners वगैरह. तो I'm thinking I'll go on Amazon का app and let's see what I can get him. I'm thinking of getting him a watch. Ooh, Casio G-Shock, Swatch, or even Guess. यार ये सब क्या heavy brands है. I didn't even know these come on Amazon. I always thought कि यार ये तो जाना पड़ेगा फ्रांस जाके खरीद पाएंगे.
कुछ टी-शर्ट्स ले लें. This is a cool t-shirt. Only का. I love the color. Levi's Miss Olive का Nope t-shirt. This is super awesome.
I think I'll go with Casio G-Shock only because I feel like this is something that he would wear also.
Okay, let's go for this. Add to cart. चलो, gift तो sort हो गया. Now, let's go meet up. Hey, what's up?
Oh,
I thought as much it's you, Aishwarya from Comicstan.
Hey, so sweet, you know.
Yes, I remember.
I was
and
90% sure it's you. I'm so excited to see you.
I'm so happy there's another AM on the show.
Oh yeah. Is this
Lame
why
jokes मारेंगे एक साथ कि नहीं?
हम तो definitely करेंगे. एक चीज कर सकते हैं, एक small request है.
Okay.
Can I take a selfie with you? Just for all the Armanians out there. मेरे को पता है उनकी हाई लगेगी, but मेरे को अपना खुद का हाई चाहिए. Let's go. Oh, by the way, I've gotten something for you.
Okay.
Okay.
And I also have got something for you.
Really?
Yes.
Go.
Let's go.
Oh, our gifts are here. I'm very excited. This is what I got for you.
ये लो.
Yes.
Wow. G-Shock. I love Shock watches.
You do?
I love them.
Why did you get this for me? What was your thought?
I just feel कि it's very comfy. Firstly, look very
That to
comfy.
100%.
And it goes with your personality. Nope. Kidding.
That's very wrong. Nope, not
How
at
do
all.
you like the t-shirt?
It's fine. It's cool. It's very nice. I genuinely really like it. It's very minimalistic. It's one word, which is something that I would definitely wear.
अभी vibe आ रहा है कि what you like, what you don't like.
Yeah.
So what is the pal that I'm styling you for?
The pal you're styling me for is the Christmas party. But what is the pal that I'm styling you for?
The pal that you're styling me for is a New Year party.
Oh,
जहाँ
nice.
पे I want to look suave.
So of course you are very into fashion and
Yeah,
you are
very.
very on point. So if you had to give 5 tips to your Armanians.
A well-tailored suit is a must. Chunky sneakers And
Oh.
like really cool snazzy sneakers can save any bad outfit. And maybe for the nights you could go for like a dark musky kind of
Nice.
tone. A simple t-shirt or shirt with a good fitted jeans
Nice.
can never,
Go wrong.
Trying to make like a style statement is always good to be outside your comfort zone. And थोड़ा कुछ यूनिक ट्राई करना चाहिए. कभी-कभी रणवीर सिंह बन सकते हैं. थोड़ा सा ट्राई करना चाहिए वो snazzy outfit.
I'm a little nervous now because I have to style you. Because his fashion sense is so good.
Please help me. Please help me. अच्छा, well fitted jeans के बारे में बात करते करते एक पन आ रहा है मेरे दिमाग में.
Please go ahead. Very excited to hear
Let's
this.
go for it. So, what do you call the guy who invented denims?
Epic. Leave.
सोचो.
Papa jeans. Papa G. No. What is it?
बता दूं?
Yes.
Okay. A genius. बहुत हो गया.
Oh God. Genius. Impressive.
ये puns तो होते रहेंगे.
Yes.
Let's go to the next step.
Next step. Yes.
चलो, मैं पहले जाता हूँ. I'll style you first. I know usually ladies first होता है, लेकिन मैं.
Yeah, but you're styling a lady first. So, okay, I'll turn.
That's true. अच्छा, you have to tell me what you like and what you don't like. तो मेरा काम थोड़ा आसान हो जाएगा.
Okay, see, I really enjoy wearing dresses.
So Aishwarya, I think कि you usually like dresses and go for dresses.
Yes.
There's a Vero Moda. There's a Tommy Hilfiger one. There is.
I always used to think Tommy Hilfiger is a men's brand.
नहीं बहुत सारे options हैं. एक midnight blue-ish dress है which I really like.
Midnight blue. What is a midnight blue, Arman?
Special color है. अभी मतलब I think it'll look good. चलो, adding this to the cart. Path. Dresses की हो रही है तो मैंने सोचा यार एक पन हो जाए.
हाँ, Irshad.
So, what is the dress that you can't wear?
What is a dress I can't wear? Dress material? Because I need to please tell me.
बोल दूं?
बोल दो.
मारना मत. A dress.
Oh God! Arman, yaar.
Are you going to peto me after this?
I'm going to die.
Okay.
I'm just going to give up. I'm going to nahi yaar. Arman, you win. Okay, I'm going to go shop for you now. But you can't look. Same rules. Okay?
Done.
Okay, men, clothing. So you want New Year's ke liye, I think I'll go for a t-shirt. This print is very nice, but I don't think for a night look it'll look good. Lee Cooper. Jack and Jones. I think you'll look damn hot in this. Okay, now I'm going to take a jacket.
Jackets, so I love jackets. Huh?
Yeah, you have a collection of jackets, right?
मतलब मैं I take like 3-4 new jackets.
Amazon has everything. सारे brands हैं यार यहाँ पे. Levi's, Jack and Jones, US Polo, everything is there.
सब उठा लो.
So relax, है ना? हम budget पे हैं यहाँ पे.
ठीक है. Okay, no problem.
I think this is very nice. Okay, I'm adding this to the cart. I'm done.
You're done.
Done. I feel like I've done a good job.
बहुत हो गया ना?
बहुत हो गया. थोड़ा break लेते हैं.
चलो.
थोड़ा गपशप, थोड़ा gossip.
Oh, okay. ठीक है.
If I
चलो.
can get from you.
देखते. Let's see how much you can get out of me.
I'm going to ask Arman Malik so many questions.
I also have something to ask you.
Okay.
तो मेरा question था कि obviously there are a lot of people coming to your page and social accounts.
Correct.
तो वहाँ पे trolling होती होगी और I'm sure होती होगी.
Yes.
So how do you deal with that and how do you deal with trollers?
यार ट्रोल ना एक याद है मेरे को कि मैंने एक रील डाली थी. Majority of the comments were men just having issues with the choice of clothing that I have.
How did you tackle that then?
मैं सोच रही थी कि मैं comments restrict कर दूं कि कोई comment नहीं कर सकता.
Correct.
But फिर मेरे को realize हुआ इससे तुम्हारी engagement बहुत बढ़ती है. Thanks boys. But 7 million views on that reel. So I was like, yeah, fair, makes sense. अभी कुछ light-hearted सवाल पूछते हैं, है ना? So what is a big fashion moment in your life? As in any faux pas or some really good outfit you wore which you're very proud of?
I remember once हम सबसे हुआ है at some point.
100%.
अरे कपड़े का टैग रह गया यार निकालना.
ओ आपके साथ भी होता है. मैं तो जानबूझ के लगा के घूमती हूँ.
अच्छा.
हाँ. Okay, so Arman, what would an ideal date night look be for you?
I would choose a really nice shirt.
Nice.
Could be a dark color.
Okay.
And probably some chinos and some cool loafers or something.
Loafers.
Yeah.
So I wanted to play another game with you.
Okay.
Which is Never Have I Ever. Have you ever felt like singing a song which is another singer's song?
I have, yeah.
Can you name which song?
There's this song called Channa Mere Yaar.
Yes.
Obviously, there's.
Of course.
I mean, everyone knows that song.
आपने कभी अपने भाई के wardrobe से चीजें चुराई हैं?
मेरा भाई मुझसे चुराता है.
सही में?
अरे the other day I was traveling, तो मैंने social media open किया. I saw a post of Amal
हाँ.
and he was wearing one of my outfits जो मेरे घर पे था.
And had you worn that before?
I have worn that.
You have
before.
worn that
हाँ,
before.
but he raids my wardrobe. अभी क्या हो गया है कि हम दोनों सेम साइज हो गए हैं. मेरा भी L हो गया. अभी हम दोनों मतलब उस तरीके से नहीं, लेकिन मेरा भी साइज L हो गया है, तो हम दोनों का L है. अभी तो मैं कंफ्यूज रहा था किसका क्या है.
Oh, man. See, you're very fashionable, on point about everything. तो आपने कभी किसी को fashion advice दी है? या मिली है आपको some
फैशन एडवाइस मिली है डेफिनेटली. इसलिए मैं इतना फैशनेबल हूँ. आई फील
Oh, nice.
बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस तुमने पूछ लिए. अभी
Yes.
नाउ इट्स माय टर्न.
Okay, ready.
स्टेज पे कभी परफॉर्म नहीं किया बिकॉज यू हैव स्टेज फ्राइट और यू गॉट नर्वस लास्ट मिनट?
Yes, बचपन में elocution competition में I always used to get scared. Of course, now it's livelihood, right?
Yeah.
Stage से निकल नहीं सकते तुमको.
course you-
People have come to watch you. But there have been a lot of times when I have just frozen on stage. Not a lot, twice.
किसी सेलिब्रिटी के वार्डरोब को हैव यू एवर फेल्ट लाइक आई वांट टू स्टील द वार्डरोब?
I think it would be Deepika.
बिकॉज माय क्रश बाय द वे.
Really? Oh man.
कभी ऐसा हुआ है कि यू सीन अनदर कॉमेडियन सेट
Yeah.
एंड फेल्ट लाइक अरे यार आई विश आई हैड दैट काइंड ऑफ अ सेट?
Yes.
जेलसी वाली फीलिंग.
Jealousy, proper. One comic especially, and that's Kanan. I see Kanan on stage and I am always mesmerized.
So not like a competition vibe.
Where he, where I, dude. There's no competition only. It's always aspirational कि यार किसी दिन ना ऐसा करेंगे स्टेज पे, इतना किल करेंगे.
ऐसा कभी हुआ है कि बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पार्टी है,
हाँ.
यू वांट टू गो देयर,
हाँ.
लेकिन यू डोंट हैव एनीथिंग टू वेयर?
Yes, I'm not kidding. This happened yesterday. Yesterday. Literally yesterday.
लेकिन आज ऐसा नहीं करना पड़ेगा
क्यों?
बिकॉज आई एम सेलेक्टिंग.
Oh yes, that is true.
करें शॉपिंग?
Yes, let's shop.
चलो, लेट्स गेट बैक इनटू एक्शन.
Okay.
आई थिंक वी शुड select some footwear and I know how you feel about heels.
Yes, I do.
There's a Calvin Klein का red color heel है कुछ interesting.
That sounds very interesting. Yeah.
Aldo की भी heels हैं. चलो, I'm adding this to the cart.
Okay.
चलो, I'm going to get an accessory that I feel will look
nice
really
with
really
it.
nice with the outfit.
Okay.
लेकिन मतलब किस टाइप की accessory पसंद है?
I think I like wearing very simple, minimalistic things.
Understood your vibe.
Yes.
उसी vibe को mind में रखते हुए
हाँ.
एक कुछ मिला है which I'm adding to the cart. Done. So your look has been done. I hope I've done a good job.
Yeah, I hope you've done a good job. So we figured your t-shirt and your jacket,
Okay.
but now we need to see the pants. यहाँ पे तो बहुत options है. Marks and Spencer, Levi's, Spiker. This looks nice. Okay, I'm adding it to the cart. Let's go for sneakers. Puma, New Balance. Wow.
कभी-कभी मैं sneakers के हिसाब से भी outfit choose करता हूँ.
Seriously? अभी हम उल्टा कर रहे हैं. ये this looks nice. ठीक है, ये करते हैं.
अच्छा, और select कर लिया shoe?
Yes. So let's look at watches.
Okay. Tell me what you're looking at.
Hugo Boss. Hey, this is nice. Let's do this. When I'm shopping on Amazon, I fat करके I choose things.
चलो, then let's check out our looks then.
Yes, let's go see
जल्दी
what
से.
we've got in each other.
Let's
yes.
चले.
चलो.
Let's check it out.
It's very pretty. I'm very excited to try this on.
I can't wait to wear this. Wow, you're looking so stunning.
Thank you so much. You look very dashing, dude. And so this is very Arman Malik. You should be a stylist.
Really?
Yep,
Wow.
100%. I would have never bought something like this for myself.
Yeah, Aishwarya, I have to tell you,
actually compliment you because your styling skills are on point.
Yeah.
This camo blazer, I don't think I would have ever styled myself with this. And these boots, I must say, I'm a big sneakerhead.
Yeah.
And I always go for like casual sneakers, even if I'm wearing like, you know, full party stuff on
Yeah.
top. But these boots are really
You like?
really sleek. I love it.
Oh
And
man.
watch भी मतलब बहुत ही classy edition है. कमाल कर दिया है. कमाल.
But thank you so much.
मेरी भी तारीफ कर दो.
नहीं मैं तो बता रही हूँ this nobody has ever seen me in an avatar like this. I have never worn such a dress before. And these earrings, you're very good with accessories also, minimal but so classy. It goes with the entire look.
I'm sorted for New Year's Eve.
Yes.
I think you are sorted
For
for
Christmas party.
Christmas.
Yes.
So I'm really thankful to Amazon for putting this together.
Another AM.
And yeah, Amazon's also
Amazon.
correct. And I think we have fashioned up, we have leveled up, and we have helped some of the viewers level up as well.
Hopefully.
Yes.
Hope so. Let us know if this has actually helped you guys, you know.
I think it should have helped them. I guess.
I
hope so. चलो जाते जाते एक तो बनता है.
नहीं. Arman, please.
अरे come on यार, मतलब अच्छे से we'll end it now on a high note. What do you call an alligator in a vest?
Nothing. You call it nothing.
नहीं,
You just
wait,
come.
let me
No.
complete. अरे
अभी pack up everyone. चलो,
No,
everyone
अरे
go home.
fashion up.